Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is a sick day makeup tutorial. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So I'm starting off with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Desert Beige. Just apply that all over your face, and with a damp beauty blender, blend that out and you'll be good to go. Moving on, I am using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer under my eyes, on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and anywhere I really want it. You could put it anywhere you want, depending on your taste. Just go ahead and put on your warrior paint. And from there, just take your beauty blender and blend all that out, or as my husband would say, tap, 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 tap it out. Now taking the AIRSPUN loose powder, just putting that all over where I conceal, just setting that concealer, and just bake your face like a cake. Now taking my L'Oreal True Match in N5 and my e.l.f. powder brush, applying that to the rest of my face and really blending everything together. Now taking my Tartlette in Bloom palette, I am taking the Smarty Pants shadow and applying it all over my crease as a transition shade. Using Jetsetter from the same palette, I am putting that more in my crease for a little more shade and dimension. Now taking the City Mini palette by Maybelline, I'm adding the shade Don't Know What It's Called to my lid for a little bit of glitz and glam. Now taking Jetsetter with my Real Techniques base shadow brush, apply that shade under your eyes and look like you have more bags under your eyes. Now apply your favorite lashes. I am using the Eylure Vegas Luxe collection in Bronze Beauty. La, 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 la. Now using my NYX matte bronzer, go ahead and go ahead and bronze your face just a little bit. will be contouring the hollows of my cheeks with the NYX contour palette in the shade Toffee, whatever. Now taking the shade Bubbly and Golden Bronze from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in that glow, I will be highlighting the highest points in my face. Also highlighting the Cupid's bow, the inner corner of my eye, and the bridge of my nose.
Now she's taking the peach cobbler from Too Faced in the movie Batman. Yeah, that one right there.
Just go ahead and put that blush all over your cheeks and you'll be good to go, like my husband said. Well, you guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow all my socials, my Insta, my Snapchat, whatever. They're all going to be linked down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye!